This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have minimal tools, now make them work together. Install a compiler like GCC and ensure it's on your path so VSCode can call it. Once done, add the C/C++ extension for IntelliSense and debugging. Install Code Runner if you want quick runs. Create a workspace folder, open it in VSCode, then create and save hello. C. Make sure to pick a proper file extension and immediately test compiling from the integrated terminal to confirm the first connection. Next, wire up building and debugging so you can iterate fast. Create a tasks. JSON task that runs GCC with wall-G and outputs an executable. This automates compilation. Then add a launch. JSON using the CPPDBG adapter, pointing program to your compiled executable and setting working directory. Once configured, place breakpoints, step into functions, and add variables to watch to inspect state. Use the integrated terminal for input and to run the executable manually when you want quick checks. Finish by validating your workflow with tests and shortcuts so development stays fluid. Create tasks for repeated runs and sample inputs. Run builds with Ctrl+Shift+B, start debugging with F5, and step with F10/F11. Use the Problems pane to jump to compiler messages and fix includes or flags accordingly. If things fail, check that your compiler is on path, verify include paths and G-flag, and make sure launch. JSON points to the right executable. This single troubleshooting step resolves most setup issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.